What's the meaning of burnt offering? Burnt offering. Burnt offering.
Burnt offering. Burnt offering. A burnt offering is a type of sacrifice typically found in religious traditions. It involves the ritualistic burning of an animal or other offering as an act of devotion or submission. The offering is often completely consumed by the flames and smoke, symbolically representing the complete surrender of the worshipper to their deity. The result of a burnt offering is seen as a powerful expression of faith and devotion, and is believed to bring spiritual benefits or blessings to the worshipper. In some traditions, burnt offerings are also used as a form of purification or atonement for sins or transgressions.